Good morning to everyone. Today let us learn about the next topic is in the reflection of light. Lateral inversion and regular reflection and irregular reflection. Already this is the discussing in the previous class. But you are not identified to the name. Okay? That is your image. Your object of your image you are observing the left to right, right to left, yes or no? So that is consider the lateral inversion. That is form the condition is consider the lateral inversion. That means in the image in the image formed in a mirror. That is in the image formed by the mirror. That is the right of the an object is appear as a left. Yes or no, ma? That the right of the an object appears as a left. Okay, and left of the object appears as a right. Yes or no? That is the left of the object appears as a left. That is called lateral inversion. Once again, lateral inversion. The image is image is formed by the mirror. That is right of the an object. The right of the an object appears. That is right of the an object appears as left, and left of the object as appears as that is as right. So that is called lateral inversion. You understood, Nana? So that is this is the mirror. Okay. So this is you consider the left to you are observing in a right on the mirror. Okay, so right object is observing in the mirror left. Okay, you understood, Nana? And so that is observing that condition is considered the lateral inversion. And one more thing here discussing the one point is already this one also you are that is find out that one. Yes or no? So that is object to image. This distance. And next again that is distance to image, that is or equal. Yes or no? So this distance are equal. Yes or no? So object to mirror, mirror to image. So that is totally both of you equal distance are formed. Yes or no? But here one more point is discussing here. So here object to size. Okay. Here consider the opposite, that is object to size, and image size are also equal. Okay, object to size and image size. So both are you are consider the that is are equal. Okay, so that is distance are equal and sizes also are equal. Okay, you are understood, Nana? This is the rule, Nana. Okay, that is the law of reflection only. You are observing that condition, law of reflection. Okay, so that object size and image size, both of you are equal. So you are notice that is irrespective of the size of the mirrors, the size of the image and the size of the object are equal. Okay, so that is irrespective of the size of the mirrors, the size of the image and the size of the object are equal. Okay, you are understood, Nana? And next let us learn about the next topic is regular reflection. Regular reflection means that is daily you are observing your image in the plane mirror. So that is called regular reflection. That is you are formed the clear image. That is called regular image reflection. That is a plane mirror. That is observing the smooth surface of the mirror. Okay, you are understood, Nana? That is a reflection from a smooth surface like that is of the mirror is called regular reflection. So the reflection from a smooth surface, reflection from a smooth surface of the mirror, that is called regular reflection. Okay, that is called regular reflection. So where is observed? That is your house or any places. That is that place. That is a plane mirror. You are observing the plane mirror. That is the real image are formed. That is a clear image are formed. that mirror, plane mirror only. Okay, and next point is irregular reflection. That is considered the irregular reflection. Okay, so in irregular reflection means that is a regular opposite tone in so here observing the smooth surface, but here regular, that is a irregular surface. Irregular surface, that is a irregular reflection means here consider the irregular surface. Okay, irregular surface means you are not observing the clear image. Okay, you are not observing the clear image. Okay, you are understood, Nana? So this is the smooth surface means that is the plane mirrors only. Okay, you are observing the your clear image in your house. Your house also using in a, that is a plane mirrors. That is you are observing the regular. That is a regular reflection. That is a clear image. But irregular surface, that is irregular surface means this is a plane mirror. So irregular surface means you are not observing the clear image. So this is the mirror. Okay, this is the mirror. So the light is falling on the mirror. So automatically you are observing the reflectant condition. Yes or no, ma? Okay, so again the light is falling on the mirror. So that is a reflection. So again you are falling on the mirror. Okay, so you are observing you are not clear the image in the mirror. That is the irregular surface of the mirror. So that's why you are observing the clear, you are not clear image. You are understood, ma? Are you clear? So this is a lateral inversion means that object is the image formed on the mirror, that is by the mirror. Your left left of the object that is appears and as right, and right of the object appears and left. Okay, so that is called lateral inversion. So regular reflection means that is a reflection of the mirror, that is a reflection of the smooth surface of the mirror. That is called, you are observing the regular reflection, that is you are observing the clear image in the mirror. But here irregular reflection means that is a reflection of the, that is a smooth or irregular surface, that is a non-smooth, that is a rough surface or irregular surface, that is formed the irregular reflection, that is you are not observing the clear image. You are understood, Nana? Are you clear? Okay. So this is a windows. This type of glasses are using in a windows. Okay. So you are observing the windows. Yes or no, ma? Windows, you are not observing the clear image. Some glasses. Yes or no? So why are not observing your clear image? So that's why that place are using in a irregular reflection. Okay, regular reflection means you are observing the clear image, but that is using your daily life in the house or in vehicles. Vehicle sides also using the mirrors. Yes or no, ma? So that's type of the mirrors using, that is called regular reflection. And one more point is in a previous class already discussing that is a lateral inversion means that is a right to left, left to right. Yes or no, that is using in a that is a lateral inversion. Okay, but you are observing the ambulance. Okay, so ambulance name, you are observing the name, that is you write the reverse or same reverse condition only. Yes or no? Why are keeping that is why are writing in the reverse position? Because that is this one only, no. For suppose you are writing the B letter, Nana. So this is the real position. Yes or no, ma? So this is the real position. This letter you are observing the mirror. That is automatically you are observing the reverse condition only. Yes or no, ma? So automatically you are formed to the reverse in the mirror. Yes or no? So you are not observing the clear of the letters. Yes or no? For suppose here you are write the reverse. Okay. So this object you are observing in the mirror. Okay. You are formed to the clear letter. Yes sir. Real letter is the form on the by the mirror. Yes or no? So that's why only on the ambulance you are writing the reverse condition. Okay, so automatically your vehicles, so many vehicles are observing the ambulance backside. Okay, so that letters are formed to the clear, that is a real form to the sentence. So automatically your side you are given to the side. Yes or no ma? You are understood, Nana? So that's why only on the ambulance you are writing the reverse condition. That is the letters are writing in a reverse. Okay, so that's a reverse is observing in the mirror, your another side of another vehicles of the mirrors. So that letters are formed to the clear, that is the real sentence formation. So automatically you are given to the side. Okay, so that wave ambulance is moving to the front. They are speedily moving to the, that is the reach to the hospital. Yes sir, no ma? You are understood ma? You are clear? Are you clear? Okay, so now and now let us learn about the one more point is multiple images. Already discussing this point. Yes or no? In previous class. Multiple images means that is mainly depending on the reflection of the light only. Yes or no ma? So the light is formed in the water balloon, that is the water balls. That the light is falling on the water ball. Again the light is bending, that is the refracted, and again reflection, again reflection, again reflection, and so many directions are is formed to the light. After is you are reached to the your eye. That's why only in the so many colors are observing in the water ball. Yes or no ma? So that is so many colors are that is falling on the water balls. So all colors are mixed in the inside of the water balloon. Okay, that's why only you are observing the so many colors in the that is water balloons. Okay, so this one you are observing in winter season. Early morning you are observing on the grass. You are observing the some water balls is there. Na? You are present on the water balls on the grass. Yes or no ma? But that water balls you are observing very shining, and you are observing the so many colors in the water ball. Okay, so mainly reason that's one only. Okay, so that light is reflected to the so many times after you are reached to your eye. Okay, so that's all are observing in colors in your eyes. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Are you clear? And one more point is we are discussing the so using this point only. Okay, na? Just you take the one box, Nana. Okay, you take the one box. Okay, and a closed box, Nana. You are taking the this type of the closed box and open and closed. So this one, Nana. Okay, this type of the box. So this is the closed box only. Okay, here keeping the upper side, Nana. You are keeping the some holes. Okay, here keeping the some holes. So here holes, ma. Okay, here keeping the holes. Okay, and next you are close the box. Okay, so automatically that light is falling into the that holes. Yes or no ma? Okay, you are observing the that's inside of the box. Automatically you are observing the some light. Yes or no? Okay, next open. Okay, open the that box. You are keeping, that is you are keeping the mirrors in the wall side, Nana. Okay, in the wall side of the box. You just here this one only, na. This is the inside of the box, and here close the this is the closed one only. Okay, so inside of the walls, just here this is the arranged to the mirror. Here arranged to the mirror. Okay, that is a parallel condition only. Already in a periscope you are observing the parallel condition. That's why only you are observing the that is a clear images. Yes or no ma? Okay, so here arranged to the plain mirrors. Our plain mirrors are shining papers also in a sweet shops also having in shining papers or smooth papers as is there na? Yes or no? So that type of also using the here, no problem. Okay, just here one side you are keeping the, that is the mirrors or plain mirrors are the type of the sheets that are shining sheets or shining papers or anything only you are paste here only. Okay, wall sides only. Okay, and next here keeping in flowers. Okay, or plants or anything. Okay, some flowers are keeping in the box. Okay, here, but here taking how many flowers? 1 2 3 4 5 flowers only. Okay, 5 or more, your wish only. Okay, no problem. Okay, so now I am taking the 5 flowers only, and here keeping the holes only na, that is the upper part of the box. Yes or no? You are just here keeping the holes. Okay, and next see ma, here one hole is present only na. Okay, so here just here keeping the one small hole, one side of the small hole, only one side, and another side don't keeping the hole, only one side. Okay, and next you are close the box. Okay, and next you are close the box. Okay, here holes is the present only. Yes or no? Upper part of the box. Okay, so here holes is present, and next one side, that is the two sides is the keeping, that is the parallel condition of the arranged the mirrors, that is the plain mirrors or shining papers or that is smooth sheets of the papers, that is anything on that is a okay, using that objectives only. Okay, and one side you are keeping the one hole. Okay, so automatically the light is falling on the upper part of the box. Yes or no? So automatically the light is reflected to the, that is light is falling on the hole and again reflected to the inside of the box. Again inside of the box. Yes or no? Okay, automatically the light is traveling to the inside of the box. Okay, so here see ma, the light is falling on the flowers, that is again reflected to the mirror and again reflected to the another direction, again reflected to the another direction. So this all are number of reflections are present in the box. Okay, after your, that is coming to the outside of the, you are reached to the your eye. Okay, you are reached to the your eye. Just you are observing the inside of the box. So, but here using the 5 flowers only, but you are observing the inside of the box. So, you are so many flowers are present. That is you are observing the garden. Flower garden only observing that inside of the box. Why? Because that light is falling on, that is reflected to the inside of the box. So that light is reflected so many times. So that is the number of times is reflected after is reached to the your eye. Okay. But here using the only 5 flowers, but you are observing inside so many images are formed. Okay. That's why only you are observing the, that is a one flower garden of the type. Okay, type of the garden. Okay, you are observing the one of the type of the garden. Okay, but here using the only 5 flowers, but you are observing the so many images. Are you clear, Nana? Okay, so you are you are observing, Nana. So once you are just this activity you are observing at home. Okay, na? You are prepared to the this type of the using this box. Using this box and keeping in a 2 plain mirrors or shining papers or anything only. just you are keeping the wall side, and upper side using the holes, and inside you are using any materials, not only flowers. You are using the any shining colors of the anyone. For suppose you are using in stones, that is that is a cloth, that is a stitching stones is there na, so the type of the stones also using inside. Okay, so after you are observing the this whole side, okay, automatically so many images are observed. Okay, but here inside using in some amount of the objectives only, but you are observing the so many images. Okay, you are understood, Nana? Are you clear? Thank you.